it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with NeeCJae. It's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with Makeup Tip Thursday with how to minimize, shrink, or diminish large pores. If you are interested in seeing this video, then stay tuned. I received lots of questions, emails and questions concerning large pores. What to do for large pores, how to diminish them, how to shrink them. And that is actually a great question. First, I want to deal with what are pores. Pores, the best way I can explain what pores are, pores in general are just remnants of foundation and makeup and things like that that just actually seep into your skin, okay, causing your pores to basically inflame. Think of it as a garbage can, and the garbage can is empty, and you continue to put things in the garbage can until the garbage can overflows. When it's time, it is overflowed, so it comes up to the top. Your pores, when it can't take anymore, it comes up and it basically makes those little holes like ready to be emptied out. Basically, pores, when they become large and inflamed, it's time to dump the trash. It's basically how you can look at it. When it's filled up to the capacity, it's time to dump the trash. What I like to say is keep your hands out of your face, touching your face all the time, especially if you haven't used sanitizer or if you're out and you just touch your face and things like that. That really adds to putting things into your skin, into your pores. The first tip that I like to give to diminish your pores is using a cleansing brush. I used to have a Clarisonic. I can't find it anywhere, and that's one of those electric facial brushes that really get in there and deep cleanse your face without stripping your skin. However, I'm just to show you some kind of type of brush is something like this. Well, I use this one as well, you know, just to deep cleanse, really get in there and just cleanse your face. And you don't want to strip the oils, the natural oils out of your skin, because you don't want to have dry skin like I do. So you just want to really cleanse those particles out of your pores. You want to get that stuff out of your pores, because actually, like I just said, it's time to dump the trash. The second thing is that I like to do also, because I maybe have it up here right in large pores, from time to time you may see them right up in this area, and I like to use a primer. A primer, you can take a little bit of the primer and just press it into your skin. You want to press it into the skin, not rub it in. You want to press right where the pores, where you see the large pores, or wherever it is. If it's down here, if it's on your nose, wherever it is, you want to just take the primer and press it into your skin, okay? And you would definitely, if you do one side and do the other, look at the other side, you'll see one side is really, it gets in there and it fills the pores up and make your skin look even, okay? Tip number 3, natural. If you don't have any primer, what you can do is use an ice cube. An ice cube, for example, just like when you're shampooing your hair and you condition your hair and you rinse your conditioner out with cool water and it actually closes the cuticles, well, the ice cube does the same thing for your skin. It goes in there and it closes your skin. It just closes, you know, and gives you the appearance of smooth skin. It will really, your face may feel numb a little bit, but the pores will be gone. Okay, will be gone. That may be wrong language. Will be gone, will go away, one of those. Okay, they will diminish, let's put it that way. The fourth thing that, and this is for if you have sensitive skin, you may not want to try this. You may want to just test your skin out. But for those that do not have sensitive skin and you can basically put anything on your skin without it really breaking out, try lemon juice, basically lemons. The enzymes in lemons, it is really acidy, but it really gets in there and it really helps shrink and diminish pores. You want to be careful near your eyes, you don't, because it's so acidy. You don't want to get any lemon juice in your eyes. But if you can put it on that area, apply. A lot of people that do not have sensitive skin can actually apply it at nighttime and wake up and their pores are just beautiful. I mean, you don't even see them. The skin is back the way it usually is, just a great smooth complexion. Now that is if you don't have sensitive skin. If you do have sensitive skin, you might want to avoid this or test it on another area just to see how your skin reacts to it. So that is all I have for you today. If you like this video and you want to see more of Thursday makeup tips, go ahead, subscribe. It's free, and every time I do an upload, you will be the first to be notified. So anyway, guys, thank you so very much for tuning in. As always, I love you guys so much, and thank you for all my new subscribers. Welcome. You are now part of the NeeCJae family. Peace and love, guys. Until next time. Mwah. Bye.